Hello, everybody, and welcome to week 28. I'm going to quickly go over what we're going to be working on this week. Now, I know some of us didn't know what was coming, but I finally decided what project we're going to be working on. And I'm going to have you guys create a reusable water bottle. So you're probably like, what does that mean? What are we going to be doing? Well, you're going to be I'll just show you. We're going to be creating, it's like a challenge. You're going to be redesigning a water bottle, that already exists into something that, you would want to use or that would be sellable. So you've got some parts that obviously you have to include. The bottle itself, top/lid, straw, mouthpiece, handle. I recommend if you have a water bottle at home, taking it apart to see what all the different pieces you have. Now, personally, for example, this I don't think would work. I don't want you to use something as simple as this. This literally is a bottle with a lid and a handle. 3 pieces. That's too simple for this challenge, so I won't accept that. But try to get something with a straw, a mouthpiece, a filter, a double insulated or 2 layers of a water bottle will help insulate it. That would be great for this design. I included a link that'll take you to some awesome creations that other people have made, and this was from 2015, but you can see what they have, and if you click on them, it'll go into their project that they created to help give you some ideas. For this, what you're going to be creating are the drawing files for each part. So you create the part, create the drawing file. You'll create an assembly file, and then you will also be learning how to create an exploded assembly, and you'll be creating the parts list with the exploded view. And I've included 2 links on creating exploded views and creating callouts for them. So I want to show you what that looks like using the model train as our example, because you'll be doing this for your water bottle instead. It's nothing too terrible once you've figured out how to create the exploded view. It's very simple to put it into the drawing and so forth and so on. So I'm not too worried, but here is my model train. And you can see here I have it exploded and I have a parts list right next to it. So that's what we're going to be doing for this drawing. Here's the assembly. In the assembly is where you actually would create this explosion. You have these 3 buttons off to the right hand side. One is the bill of materials table, the configuration panel, and the exploded view. The bill of materials table is where you will get that parts list, where you'll create your parts list. The bottom one, the exploded view, is where you will learn to create the exploded view portion. So you can see here, I can click on my exploded view, and you can see how that is all set up. So you will be doing that as well, but we'll talk about that more next class. Otherwise, that's what I have you guys working on this week. If you have any questions, obviously, feel free to shoot me a message or ask me in class. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week.